जनगण अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंह।
I would like to say good morning to my respected teacher, my all dear friends and my juniors and seniors. Friends, I am Sarvan Kumar, a student of BSc Part 1. As you know that we are celebrating 72 Republic Day of India. That is why we are gathered here. Today I am going to say few words about Republic Day, which is a very special day for all Indian citizens. Friends, as you know that India celebrates the Republic Day every year on 26th of January from 1950. Because at this day, India was declared as the Republic country. Republic Day in India has a great importance in the history, as it tells us all about each and every struggle of all Indian freedom fighters. Friends, Republic means the supreme power of the people who is living in the country, where the public has rights to elect their leaders as a president, prime minister, chief minister, etc. to lead the country in right direction. So we can say that India became a republic country after 26th of January 1950, and on that day our constitution has released. Friends, our great Indian freedom fighters have struggled a lot, so we can never forget their sacrifice towards the country, and we should remember on them on such a great occasion and salute them, because this day it is possible that we can think on our mind and live freely in our own nation. So India is also proud on the Indian states to show the unity and in diversity in India. So friends, before ending this speech, I would like to thank you all for giving me a chance to express my feeling about Republic Day, and I am proud to be an Indian, where we have many types of independence. So thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Kisan, Jai Jai.